Okay.
Alright, Haley. Which one of these has more water? Are they this one more, or are they the same? Which one has more? Or are they the same?
The same.
They're the same? Okay. Now which one has more, or are they still the same? Are you sure that one has more, or are they still the same?
That one has more.
Okay, why?
Because it's taller.
Okay. Now, can you tell me which one has more pennies? Is it line 1, this line right here, or line 2, this line right here? Which one has more pennies, or do they have the same amount of pennies?
This one.
Why does that one have more pennies?
Because you order them in order.
Because I ordered them in order? So this one has more pennies than this one? Can you count pennies?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many does line 1 have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So they have the same amount.